Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. For today we're going to be doing poison ivy. So I've done a couple of looks so far. I don't know if they're up yet, but they should be up soon. And this is going to be the third look that I do for YouTube. So if you guys are interested in seeing me transform myself into poison ivy, then please stay tuned. Don't forget to like and comment below. And subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe. Hey, subscribe. Subscribe to my channel if you guys are not subscribed. Thank you for your support and thank you for watching. Bye. Alright beauty, so we're going to get started with our primer. I'm using the e.l.f. Poreless Primer, and I just wanted to prime my skin prior to putting on the Mayron makeup because I wanted to make it look as smooth as possible. So right now I'm putting on the green color because we are doing poison ivy, and I'm putting that all over. I'm only going to show you myself putting on one layer just so you can see how it looks when you put it on. I didn't want it to be too long and redundant, so after I put on this first layer, I went over it one more time the same exact way that I did it right here in order to get it the color that I needed it to be. And so that's just what you're going to want to do if you have this palette. It's not one layer, so if you have it and you do one layer and it looks sheer, I don't want you to be like, wait, how did she get that like that? It's because it's two layers. So this is the first layer, the second layer I did off camera, but you can see it looks really good. Next, I'm going in with this brush from Glisser and the Matte Book palette from the crayon case, and there's 3 tones of green in here. This is the medium tone that I'm putting all over my face, and then I'm going to use the lighter green to use as a highlight and the darker green to use as a contour. So right now, like I said, I'm doing the medium green, and then I'm about to go into the lighter green, as you can see. And then I'm going into the darker greens because now we're creating our contour. So I want this to be like a nice, very just fierce poison ivy. So that's why I wanted to just do a really good contour and highlight, just like I would my natural face, but green. And then this is the coconut eye primer from Fruits Cosmetics. This is an amazing eye primer to make your eyeshadows pop. You just put a little bit on your lid and blend it out seamlessly. Make sure it is not blotchy. And then I'm going in with my Lashing Out Glam Graffiti Liner in the color Brick. The graffiti liners are so bomb and have so many versatile uses. It's not only for an eyeliner, as you can see, you can use it on your brows, you can use it on your lips, you can use it wherever you want to use it. And I did that on my Joker look. If you look on my Instagram, I used it on my lips and it was bomb. And as you can see, I just shaped out my brow. I wanted it to still look kind of natural, so I gave it hair-like strokes. And now I'm going in with the Chalk Dust powder from the crayon case, and I'm just setting the areas where I would normally highlight because I just want the highlight to just pop more than it was with the lighter green. And then I just go through the contour areas with the brush without any product added to it, just to make sure that those areas are not covered with the highlight so that they still keep their definition. Now we're going back into the matte book and starting our eyeshadow look. And I'm starting off with the dark brown just to give it some depth. And then I'm going in with the dark green right on top of that because I want to start to incorporate the green into this look. Next, I'm going to go into the medium green because I want to create a gradient. And then I'm going to go into the lighter green all the way up to the eyebrow so that you can see a gradient from light to dark. And I'm just blending that out and making sure to cover that whole white area. And as I'm blending, I noticed that it was kind of covering my brow. So I went back in and fixed my brow. And it was super easy with the graffiti liner. And then I just cleaned it up a little with the green paint. And then I went back into the dark brown because I'm about to cut the crease. So I went into the outer part of the eye and blended into the middle. And then I'm starting to cut the crease now. So anytime you're going to cut the crease, you want to be able to have a darker color right in the crease before cutting it. And then I'm just blending the dark green and brown together into the side and blending that into the cut crease. And I used the coconut primer again to cut that. And then I went into my Lashing Out Glam liner in freehand, I believe it is. I will give you the name of it at the bottom if that's not it. But yeah, I put the graffiti liner on my lid. So like I told you, it's not only liners. You can actually use them for eyeshadow, brows, all that stuff. And this one I use for a shadow. And then I went in with these rhinestones that I got from Amazon. And I wanted a gradient of light and dark just to complement the colors of green that I have on my face. And my waterline, I just made it black. And then I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty mascara to go on my lashes. And to stick the stones on, I used a picker from Amazon, and I had my duo glue, my lash glue. Now we're just blending away the excess powder and then blending the dark green underneath the eye. And then I added a little bit more powder because I felt like I wanted it to pop just a tad bit more. So I'm just adding a little bit more of that powder. Making a whole mess. You see that? Don't do that. It was really late and I was just like, whatever, okay? My dad was visiting, and so I was trying to be quiet also because I didn't want to wake them while I'm singing. You see, I took my shirt off now, and I'm just putting the green on my chest all the way across because I'm going to adorn myself with ivy green leaves. And then I went back into the dark green because I felt like I wanted that to be blown out just a tad bit more. Now I got these rhinestones from Amazon. I thought they were really pretty and would be perfect for this look. So I went ahead and added those stones. So this look is kind of a mixture between the movie and the cartoon, Poison Ivy. The movie, she had like a gold kind of thing like I have above her eye. But I decided to do the green because I want it to be my own kind of creation. And then I went ahead and added my lashes. And in the inner corner, I went into the Fruits Cosmetics palette and added the metallic green. And then I'm going into my Anastasia Beverly Hills lip kit. This is the Lip Volume 1. And I mixed the colors blue and yellow to create this green color. And then I just went into a little bit of the black to deepen that. And so I just customized my lip color. And that's really what that palette is for, you to be able to customize whatever lip color you want to make. And then I went in with my lash duo glue, once again, that I use for my lashes. And I started to add some dark green rhinestones that I got from Amazon. I thought that would be a really cute contrast to have the light and dark on the eyes and then the dark on the lips. And I really, really love how it came out. And it looks really, really close to how the lips are for the cartoon. And as you can see, I got these vines from Amazon, and I'm just adorning myself now with the poison ivy leaves, and we're done. Alright, beauty, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on how to create poison ivy. So I turned myself into poison ivy. I did this green makeup and I just made sure to do a nice hard contour with it. Glammed up these lips and eyes with rhinestones to give it a little glam pop. Added these little crystals here to give it a little glam as well. And then I just adorned myself with ivy leaves. And this is the costume, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know how you guys are feeling about this look. Let me know if you guys have been feeling the Halloween costume looks that I've been doing. I have more to come, so make sure to stay tuned. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to be your own kind of beautiful because there's only one you. If you're not subscribed, click that subscribe button, comment, like, and share. Have a wonderful day. Bye.